Welcome back to Get a Grip by Tyre Trends. Let's get started with the news of the week. Bridgestone has partnered with EVBox, an electric vehicle charging solutions provider, and TSG to install up to 3,500 new charging ports across Bridgestone's European retail and service network over the next 5 years. This will provide EV owners access to over 130,000 charging ports along with the new 3,500 charging ports planned in the next 5-year plan. Hankook Tyre will equip the latest version of the Porsche Panamera with its new Ventus S1 Evo Z Ultra high performance tires. The tires are equipped with aramide fibers for heat resistance and good damping properties. They prevent deformations caused by heat generated at high speeds. Cooper Tyre has launched its Endeavour line of tires for SUVs, cars and pickup trucks. The Endeavour and Endeavour Plus tires offer excellent reliability, safety and a mix of wet performance, robust handling and a long tread life. The Endeavour line of tires receives a 65,000-mile warranty, making it suitable for drivers looking for consistent performance over a long distance. MRL Tyres, a manufacturer of commercial and off-the-road tires, has received 2 ISO ratings: ISO 45001 2018 and ISO 14001 2015. The ISO 45001 2018 standard is in place to protect employees and visitors from workplace-related accidents and diseases, while the ISO 14001 2015 standard is awarded to organizations that constructively work towards reducing their environmental footprint by adopting an effective environmental management system. Do tell us your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you wish to read these stories in detail, the links will be in the description. We'll be back next week. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button before you go and tap the bell icon to never miss an update.